Good day everyone, I'm Ryan Martinez and my section is BSIT1F, and now I will discuss the Cisco Packet Tracer Part 4 using router. What is router? Router connects two or more different LANs. It is a layer 3 network layer device and stores routing tables. And router invitable device in the internet because internet is a collection of enormous network where every network is going to use different IP schemes. Now we are going to establish inter-LAN communication. So click to switches and click another switches. 2960. Ayos lang natin. And now, gagawa na natin sila ng local area network sa dalawang switches. So, maglalagay tayo ng tatlong computer sa isang switch, and to another switch, maglalagay tayo ng tatlong end devices. So, click end device, PC, end device, PC, end device, PC. Ayusin ko lang. And dito sa isa, maglalagay din tayo ng tatlo. Two and three. Zoom natin. And now, click the cable. So, ang gagamitin natin is Ethernet straight through cable. So, click the PC and connect to switch and choose a cable. Straight through cable. Dito. And auto connect. Click the auto connect. And ganun din gagawin natin sa isang switch. Kukonect natin yung PC to switch. Straight through cable. Switch. And auto connect. And now we have completely to connect the cables to switch and PCs. At ngayon, mag-assign na tayo ng IP address to all individual computers. So dito muna tayo sa first LAN. So click the PC and go to desktop and click the IP4 configuration. And ilagay natin sa IP address is 10.0.0.1, and for subnet mask 255.0.0.0, and check and apply. So change have been submitted. So ganun din yung gagawin natin sa isang computer. Then 10.0.0.2. And apply change. And ganun din yung gagawin natin to other LAN. So click the PC and go to desktop and go and click the IPv4 configuration. So type the IP address is 192.168.1.1. And for subnet mask, type the 255.255.255.0 and apply change. So far, we have established a local area network. At ngayon, we will check whether the LAN works fine or not. So dito muna tayo sa first LAN. So click the first PC and go to desktop, command prompt, and typing space 10.0.0.3 and enter. And now, may makikita tayong reply. So it means this PC is reachable, and try to another PC. Ito ay ang PC2 and then type the ping space 10.0.0.2 and click enter. And nice, we are able to get reply. So it means this is working fine. And now try to the another LAN. Para makasigurado tayo, the LAN is also working fine. And now go to the PC1 and click the desktop and go to the command prompt and click the and type the IP config and enter. So from this PC, the IP address is 192.168.1.1. And now try to another PC if sila ay reachable. So type the ping space 192.168.1.2 and ayun, nakatanggap tayo ng reply. So let's try to another PC, which is ito yung last computer. So type ping space 10 192.168.1.3 and click enter. Nice, we get reply. So it means this LAN is also working fine. And now, nalagyan ko na ng mga label yung mga devices. At ngayon, magsisend tayo ng packet data to this PC and to this destination PC. At ngayon, kuha tayo ng router and choose the router 2911 at ilagay sa itaas ng dalawang LAN natin. Now, click the router and see the physical view of this router. Here, this router has some interfaces and we have switch. Kung i-on natin siya o i-off ang router. So, click on. So, we need some interfaces in this router so as to connect the LAN 1 to LAN 2. So, click router and click no yung nasa gilid, and after that, type en and click enter, and next type config t and click enter, and after nun, type the interface gigabit ethernet 0/0 and click enter. Next is type IP address 10.0.0.4 and for subnet mask 255.0.0.0 and click enter and type no shot. And next, type interface gigabit internet 0/1 and enter. Next, type IP address 192.168.1.4 and for subnet mask 255.255.255.0 and type no shot. So far, we have completed the configuration. So, ayun, ang ginamit natin na cable to switch to router is Ethernet straight through cable and need the order to connect. At ngayon, maglalagay tayo ng label to at saka ilagay na din natin yung IP address. At lagyan din natin yung another side for LAN 2. And now, nakikita natin na nag-green na yung lahat ng kulay. So far, we have completed the configuration. At ngayon, susubukan naman natin magpadala ng packet data to this PC, to then 10.0.0.2 to another PC to LAN 2. So ito ay ang 192.168.1.1. So now, click the 10.0.0.2 and go to desktop and go to the command prompt and type ping space 192. Ito yung destination, 168.1.1 and press enter. So picking and request timeout. So we failed to do one configuration, so it means packet are not reaching the destination. So the problem is wala pa tayong nilalagay na default gateway to all individual computers for LAN 1 and for LAN 2. So click the PC and go to the and default gateway, so 10.4, check. Gateway is 10.0.0.4. Sa LAN 1 lang siya. And to another side, ang ilalagay naman natin na gateway, default gateway is 192.168.1.4. So lalagay natin ito sa lahat ng PC ng LAN 2. And now let's try to ping this PC to this destination PC. So click the 10.0.0.2 and go to the desktop and go to the command and type the ping space 192.168.1.1 and enter. So picking 192.168.1.1 with 32 bytes data. So for the first attempt is request timeout. And then we are get to reply. Go to get the reply. Now click the simulation mode. And now click capture bar forward. And the message is send to switch and send to router, and router send to LAN 2 to switch, and switch is sent to the destination. And pagdating sa destination, ibabalik yung packet to switch and ibabalik to router and ibabalik sa switch ng LAN 1 and go to the source of packet. So for the second attempt is have MAC address, and you can see the packet data is sent directly to destination. So if you see the source is got acknowledged to this communication is successful.